Oh, hey kids! Remember me? It's me again, Slothy! And I'm back! Also, Merry a late Christmas! And you know what that means? Here, come on, follow me in the kitchen. We're gonna be making eggnog! Okay, here are the ingredients that you need. Okay, so follow me in there. Here you go. You need 2 cups of almond milk, 2 cups of milk sweeter whipped cream, 1.5 of cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger, 4 egg yolks and white spirited, however you like to call it. Mix egg yolks and add custard drink and 2 whipped cream, white S+1 TB sipping of sugar. Oh, and add your favorite alcoholic drink optional. Wait a minute. Also, I forgot. This is family friendly. We don't need all that. Uh-oh. First thing you need to do is to get these Artie's reduced fat milk, and we need this Conger heavy whipped cream. And we pour it in this jug here and put it in the pot in here and heat it about 22 degrees or Fahrenheit. And let's get this started. The first step you need to do is to open up these Artie's milk and you pour it 2 cups. And where shall I do it? I'm not good at this, but think positive. Neither. That's 1 cup. And then we need another until it fills. Where am I supposed to fill again?
2 cups.
Oh, okay, 2 cups. And then another. Tell me when to stop. Okay.
Nope. Keep going.
Okay.
There.
There you
Now
go.
pour it in the jug.
Pour it in the jug. What if I crack it?
You won't. Pour it.
Okay.
It has a little cork.
A cork.
Mm-hmm.
And you pour it in there. Just like that.
All of it.
Mama. There you go. Now, the last thing we need is the cream. Oh. Thank you.
2 cups of cream.
Yep, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of cream, 2 cups of cream. Pause. Now what you need to do is to add the cream in. Just open the cream with 2 hands. Just like that. And now you need to put 2 cups again. How many cups again?
2 cups.
Oh yeah. Tell them when to stop. Okay, so that's 1 cup. And that's another cup.
Keep on going.
There you go.
Nope, 1 more. I'll tell you when to stop. I guess that will do.
Can I drink it?
No. This is for eggnog.
You're right. Don't let me lick my hand. Anyways, now all we gotta do is to pour it in there.
Pour in there.
There you go. Voila!
No, don't do that. It has your saliva.
Thank you.
You might need it.
Thank you. Done doing this, and wait a minute, where's a lid for this? I can't find it in. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, there it is. I'm blind. Wait a minute, I'm holding it the wrong way. There you go. Is this the way to hold it?
Yep.
Okay, now you put it there. Close it. And see that? It's heating. I'm gonna put my hand in there.
Sir?
Oh yeah. And turn it on. What am I supposed to turn it on?
Low.
Low like this or this?
Let me help you.
Oh!
Low. Or if you must, like that.
Okay, perfect. Good. Yeah, watch me do the middle splits. Okay, after you're done, you need to go crack these eggs. But I'm gonna help with a very special guest. And hey, a special guest.
Yes.
Can you crack these eggs? Here, can you put your hand in there?
Hey.
Hey, it's for horses.
Pow, pow, pow. How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, I'm sorry. Now can you crack the eggs?
Yep. Give me that.
Whoa, look at her go. Oh, mama. Oh yeah. Whoa. What kind of yolk is that?
Egg whites.
How do you do that? How did you even do that? Hey, look at that. I think there's a baby chick inside there.
It's the yolk.
Okay. And this here is the yolky, the white yolk. Oh. Oh, look at her go. Are you a boy or a girl?
A girl.
Then why do you sound like a boy?
Because I'm sounding mysterious.
Whatever. Wanna see what's inside it? Nope, nothing. Just some cracked eggs. And now you crack the one in there.
I wash my hands.
Okay, good. Make sure you use hand sanitizer before you do this.
I already did.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, I'll get that.
Thank you. Don't eat eggshells, kids. They're wicked dangerous. Seriously, eggshells are not good for you, so don't try it. Don't eat it. Not even me. Ow! Oh! Why are you cracking me? Ugh. Spare my life. Now grab you. Magical.
Now do you like eating eggs?
Well, you know what it said? I can grant wishes. Poor guy. I think he had a nightmare or something.
It still has egg white?
Oh, did you just put the yellow stuff in there?
Nope, it's still white.
Can I touch it?
No,
Okay.
it's slimy. Ah!
Jesus, what have you done?
Don't worry.
Hey, look at that!
Perfect.
Oh, amazing! Wonderful!
Egg white.
Eureka!
Slothy?
Oh, okay. Now what you need to do is to cup these. Make sure that's flat. Just like that. Is it like that?
Yep.
Oh, it looks
Now
like
pour.
crystals.
It's
like
brown
that?
sugar.
Yeah, brown too. Oh, look at it dissolve. Doesn't even look brown. Why do they call
That's
it
it.
sunset?
I said that is it.
Oh, okay. And now all I need to do is mix it with this.
Here you go.
Okay. Make sure
Ready?
to add some ham if you like.
Mix quick.
Oh, look at that. I'm making a vortex.
Quicker. Faster.
Okay.
Okay, so after we, how can I say, mix the eggnog or cook it, now the human lady is spinning around in circles. Make sure that it, can burn my finger, so my finger can become a skeleton. Oh, yeah. I usually prefer to, mix something with underwear.
You're crazy.
I want to make a swimming pool out of that. Oh. Just keep mixing. Yeah. So what it smells
Smells
like?
good.
Here, let me try. May I try a sip?
No.
Okay. Boo. Boo. Ah. Ah. Okay, I'm back. Anyways, who's holding this iPad when I'm letting it go anyways?
The other human boy.
Whoa. Do I went into a fusion or something?
Maybe. You needed help for this eggnog. It's not so easy as we say.
Okay.
Remember, you're just a beginner.
Yup. I'm also a legend and a god.
Of what kind?
A cooking god. But I'm not actually a god yet. Soon, when I turn 100, I might be a god when I turn 100. But right now, I'm just a normal sloth.
First, let me check.
Pays for horses.
Only my hands, but if I look up, you're gonna see.
Okay.
Okay, now the human girl's gonna pour the yolks into the eggnog. Just like that. See how yellow it is? Look at this yellow stuff. Oh yeah, I can taste that already. I need to add some
Follow me.
Okay. Now she's gonna preheat it for 99 second degrees. Oh, that lights like a fire.
Now we're going to make some egg whites.
Egg whites, eh?
First, we're gonna whisk the egg whites.
Okay. Yep, there we go. Wow, look at her go. She's a fast mixer. Look at these egg whites. Are you done yet?
Yep.
Look
Now,
at
can
this.
you help me pour? Now, can you help me pour 2 tablespoons of sugar?
Oh, yes, I will. So I hired a goat to mix the yolks, so I'm just gonna do some workouts, okay? Uno, dos, tres. Oh. Okay, it's been 10 hours already, and the human girl is still mixing.
Mixing. When will she ever stop? Look how fluffy it is. New girl. Yeah. I think it's been about 10 hours.
No, it's been minutes.
More like 10 hours. I'm pretty sure it's 20 hours. Is it done yet? Is it done yet? No. Oh, it smells like you're making a mess.
I guess it is.
Finally. Now let's dump it in there. Okay. Wow, it's been about 10 hours. Wow, it's been about 10 hours.
And look at that fluffy mess.
Oh, mama.
Want to taste?
Okay. What?
After 2 months.
The eggnog is done! Yay!
Now let's see what it. Wait a minute. This ain't eggnog. It's cottage cheese. You made cottage cheese.
It looks like that because I mixed it.
Yeah, but anyways, it's actually eggnog.
Our homemade eggnog. Want to try cottage cheese eggnog?
I'm not eating ever again.
You never know unless you try it.
Jesus. Not even John Cena could drink it.
Only the muchest people could drink it.
Not even Kirby could drink it.
That's good, so he wouldn't beat us up. Okay. The end.